All right, y'all. It's time to do laundry today. Okay, so what we're going to do is there's two washing machines. I have these pads, a bit left, just one in there, and then I have my cubes, and I'm going to fill it up to the max on both sides. I have enough for like one more load. And then we get to sorting my clothes. All right, so we're gonna film part 2. I just got home. Let me wash my face. All right, we're gonna start sweeping with one hand because I need to record this. So I decided to just put you guys over here and I'm gonna keep sweeping. Guys, I'm sorry for showing you this, but this for the... That's not including like all the dust in there.